Have you ever tasted sunshine? That's the magic of the Chimayo chile, a special pepper from a small New Mexican village nestled in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. It's not just about heat. It's earthy, slightly sweet, and its gentle warmth builds slowly. This chile tells the story of the land and the people who've cared for it for generations. Chimayo is famous for its historic church and its blessed soil, which grows this revered chile. Eating a Chimayo chile connects you to centuries of tradition and the high desert air. Its unique flavor is woven into New Mexican life, bringing families together. What makes it special? The terroir. High altitude, sunny days, and cool nights create a delicate, thin-skinned chile perfect for drying and grinding. It's a spice, a vegetable, and a cultural icon. Let's explore this incredible pepper, its history, how it grows, and how it unites a community. The Chimayo chile is about food, faith, and family, a simple plant with deep meaning. It reminds us that powerful flavors come from small places and preserved traditions. This is the unforgettable taste of real New Mexico. The Chimayo chile story began over 4 centuries ago, when Spanish settlers brought chile seeds to northern New Mexico. Over generations, these peppers adapted to the Chimayo Valley's unique soil and climate. Local farmers carefully selected seeds from the best plants, shaping the chile's flavor and gentle heat. This landrace variety is a living piece of agricultural history, developed by farmers, not scientists. The chile became a cornerstone of local cuisine, used in stews. If you like this video, please subscribe and like our channel, How to Edu, Sources and more. For Chimayo families, growing chile is a way of life, connecting them to their ancestors and the land. The annual cycle of planting and harvesting marks the seasons and defines the valley's rhythm. Sharing food made with Chimayo chile is an act of love and hospitality. But this precious chile is at risk, as fewer young people take up farming. Preserving the Chimayo chile supports both the farmers and the community. Organizations like Slow Food are working to protect it. By celebrating this chile, we help ensure its legacy endures. It's a taste of New Mexican sunshine that must not be lost. How does the Chimayo chile thrive year after year? Farmers use 2 clever methods, seeds and cloning. At harvest, they save seeds from the best chilies, those with perfect shape, deep color, and ideal flavor. These seeds carry the plant's legacy, promising next year's crop. The second method is natural cloning, taking a cutting from a favorite plant and rooting it to grow an exact copy. Cloning preserves the best flavors, ensuring consistency. Seeds allow adaptation. Cloning guarantees perfection. Most farmers use both, saving seeds for diversity, cloning for quality. This blend of tradition and innovation shows deep agricultural wisdom. Farmers are curators of flavor, shaping the future of the Chimayo chile. Their careful stewardship makes this chile a true culinary treasure. It's a delicate dance between honoring tradition and ensuring the best harvest. That's the magic behind every Chimayo chile. You don't have to live in New Mexico to grow Chimayo chilies. Create your own Southwest patch anywhere. Start with authentic seeds, indoors, 8-10 weeks before your last frost. Use quality soil and keep them warm and moist. Once seedlings have true leaves and frost has passed, move them outside to the sunniest spot. Chimayo chilies need 6-8 hours of direct sunlight and well-drained soil. Water regularly, letting the top inch of soil dry between waterings. Watch for white flowers, then tiny green chilies that ripen to brilliant red. Harvest from late summer to early fall. Green for zest, red for sweetness. Red chilies are perfect for drying or making chili powder. Growing your own connects you to your food, from seed to flavorful harvest. It's a rewarding way to share a taste of New Mexico with family and friends. Every fall, Chimayo comes alive with the scent of roasting chilies and the sounds of celebration. The Chimayo Chile Festival is a vibrant gathering honoring the annual harvest. Farmers display piles of fresh green and red chilies, and local artisans sell crafts inspired by the region. The food is unforgettable: stews, sauces, even chili-infused chocolates. The highlight chilies roasting over open flames, filling the air with pure New Mexico essence. Ristras, strings of red chilies, decorate homes, symbolizing a good harvest and hospitality. They're both beautiful and practical, providing dried chilies all winter. The festival features music, dancing, and community spirit. Mariachi bands and folk music fill the air as people of all ages dance. It's more than a food festival. It's the heart of Chimayo on display. The festival celebrates the deep bond between people, land, and Chile. It's a joyful reminder of the unique flavor that defines this special place.